Welcome to lesson 2 of elements, compounds and mixtures. 7A and 7B के बच्चों, I want all of you to be ready with a notebook, a pencil and a thinking cap because इस वीडियो के दौरान you will take down notes and you will solve the questions that you see on the screen. सब कुछ notebook में आप लिखोगे and you will send a picture to Didi because that is going to be your homework. Make sure you do it. Pause the video, go run, bring your notebook, and when you're ready, let's move on. Ready? Cool. So, what did we learn in lesson 1? Let's recap that first. Try and answer these 3 questions. Pause the video and try and answer it in your notebook. First question, what is matter? Second, what is matter made of? And third, what are the states of matter? Ready? First question, what is matter? क्या इसमें कुछ material है? Mass. क्या इसने कुछ space occupy किया है? Volume. So anything that has both of these things will be matter. Sunlight में volume नहीं है, mass नहीं है, radio signal, TV signal नहीं है, pen, pencil table में है, yes, then they are matter. And what is matter made of? Matter is made of tiny particles called atoms that are present everywhere in the universe. Third, what are the states of matter? हमको पता है अभी तक there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. So we have studied till here. Next what we are going to study is that today we'll do the classification of matter. Classification means to arrange into types. So types of matter क्या होते हैं? Pause the video and note this down. Did you note it down? Matter is mainly of 2 types: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are materials जिनमें कोई मिलावटें नहीं होती. They can be element or compound. Let's first learn कि element कौन सा होता है and compound कौन सा होता है. उसके बाद we will do mixtures. Let's go. So our first objective of the day is to differentiate between elements and compounds. Do we remember the meaning of the word differentiate? Differentiate word का मतलब होता है to find out differences between two things. How do we do that? For this we need to take a trip to Mars again. Remember, you had watched with Didi the photos from Mars when the robot called Perseverance had landed on Mars. Great. तो वो रोबोट था जो एक रॉकेट में उड़ के मार्स पे गया एंड इस रोबोट को हम रोवर कहते हैं. रोवर इज अ रोबोट विथ व्हील्स जो कि चल फिर सकता है. एंड आज तक मार्स पे 2 ऐसे रोवर गए हैं. एक तो परसिवरेंस जो कुछ हफ्ते पहले ही मार्स पे लैंड किया एंड दूसरा है क्यूरियोसिटी जो बहुत साल पहले किया था. Both of these rovers saw what? They took pictures of Mars. And do you see? Everywhere it is red, red, red. The entire planet is red color. But why? I asked you to research and you did. During your research, Shabina and Swaliha found certain fruits and vegetables which can turn red. And Khushi found a chameleon. So we were researching about things that can turn red, just like Mars. Now, all of these that you found are physical changes. Why? Yes, you're correct. Nothing new is formed. No new substance is formed. Though some of these are irreversible, जैसे कि fruits या फल का लाल हो जाना, because it cannot go back to being the original, right? And some of these, like the chameleon, is reversible because it can go back. But all of them are physical changes. Now, Didi also did some research, and during Didi's research, Didi found a nail. What is a nail made of? Correct. It is made of iron, and if you put it outside for long, a red layer, लाल एक परत बन जाती है, which is called rusting of iron. And we all know that rusting is a chemical change. How? Because here one iron atom joins one oxygen atom and forms a completely new substance, which is called iron oxide. एक iron atom और एक oxygen atom मिलके बनते हैं iron oxide molecule. And this is red in color. This is why जंग लगता है तो वो लाल हो जाता है. And this iron oxide is found everywhere in Mars. मंगल ग्रह में चारों तरफ iron oxide होता है. और क्योंकि वो लाल है इसीलिए Mars looks red from far away. From पास से दूर से चारों तरफ से वो लाल दिखता है because of iron oxide. But stop. I know what an atom is, but what is a molecule? Great question. Let us now learn about a molecule. You know what an atom is, right? And atoms are very friendly. उनको दोस्त बनाना होता है. They can never stay alone and are always looking for a friend. So what they do is one atom joins with another atom, form a bigger particle, and this is called a molecule. Let's pause the video. वीडियो को pause करो and read the definition of a molecule. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा? येलो में O लिखे हैं, एक O और दो O, मतलब एक ऑक्सीजन एटम और एक दूसरा ऑक्सीजन एटम, they are joining together. On the right hand side we see yellow में one C and another C. ये है कार्बन के एटम्स, तो एक कार्बन एटम और एक दूसरा कार्बन का एटम. तो जब सेम एटम्स जुड़ते हैं, then they form an element. When same atoms join, like in oxygen, it forms an oxygen molecule, or in carbon, it forms another carbon molecule. Let us pause the video and read the definition of elements. To recap what we learned, elements are substances whose molecules are made up of only one type of atoms, जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन में, कार्बन में, इनके मॉलिक्यूल्स में सिर्फ एक ही एटम्स है जो कि वो खुद के हैं. But when different atoms join, it is a compound. On the left hand side, you see though H in red, that is hydrogen gas, and one O in yellow, that is oxygen gas. These two gases are joining to form a liquid, H2O, मतलब water. Properties of water, मतलब qualities, water का color, taste, smell, is going to be different from hydrogen या फिर oxygen. You see blue में एक carbon atom and yellow में दो oxygen atom. So carbon and oxygen gas join to form a different kind of gas, which is carbon dioxide, CO2. And properties of carbon dioxide, जो हम सांस लेते वक्त छोड़ते हैं, that is different from oxygen या फिर carbon, right? Pause the video and note down the definition of compounds. Did you write it? Let's recap. Substances whose molecules are made up of more than one type of atoms are called compounds. Now, let us now look at the differences between elements and compounds. You will note this down and try and remember, okay? In elements, the molecules are made up of only one type of atom. Same atoms जुड़ के elements बनते हैं. In compounds, molecules are made up of more than one type of atom. Different atoms जुड़ के compounds बनते हैं. In elements, the properties of the molecule are the same as atom. गोल्ड में, सोने में चारों तरफ सिर्फ गोल्ड के ही एटम्स हैं, तो जब एटम्स जुड़ते हैं और मॉलिक्यूल बनता है, तो एटम का जो प्रॉपर्टी, मॉलिक्यूल का भी वही प्रॉपर्टी. प्रॉपर्टीज मीन्स क्वालिटीज ऑफ समथिंग. बट इन कंपाउंड्स, क्योंकि अलग अलग एटम्स है, वो जुड़ के जो नया चीज बनाते हैं, दैट इज अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी. पानी का प्रॉपर्टी ऑक्सीजन या हाइड्रोजन से बिल्कुल अलग होता है. Examples of elements would be gold, silver, iron, aluminium, which are solids, hydrogen and oxygen, which are gas, and mercury, जो कि सेमी सॉलिड जैसा है. आपने थर्मोमीटर के अंदर एक लाल परत देखी होगी जो बहता रहता है, दैट इज मर्क्यूरी. कंपाउंड्स का एग्जांपल्स क्या होगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, राइट? नाउ please note that when atoms join to form an element or a compound, it is always a chemical change. क्यों? क्योंकि एक नया चीज बन रहा है एंड वो इरिवर्सिबल है. अब चाहो तो वाटर को आप तोड़ के वापस से हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन नहीं बना सकते, है ना? सो इट इज ऑलवेज अ केमिकल चेंज. नाउ टाइम फॉर सम प्रैक्टिस. अनु एंड दीदी फाउंड सम सब्सटेंसेस. ओके, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई इनमें से एलिमेंट कौन सा है, कंपाउंड कौन सा है. हियर वी सी वाटर, वरक, जो कि मिठाई के ऊपर एक सफेद परत रहती है, एंड सॉल्ट. पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक which one is the element, which one is the compound. Ready? Let's see if you got the correct answers. Water is a compound because it is formed of one hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. So different atoms, right? More than one type of atoms. And the properties will be different. Varak is an element. क्यों? क्योंकि it is made up of silver. Silver के एक हल्की परत रहती है, मिठाई के ऊपर रहता है. So it is an element. And salt is again a compound, because it is formed of one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. Are your answers correct? If yes, great. If no, no worries. Let's try some more. This time you are going to practice by yourself. You see a picture here जिसमें से बहुत सारे materials दिए गए हैं, उनका नाम भी लिखा है. What do you have to do? You have to identify which one is the element, which one is the compound. Pause the video, write in your notebook, नाम लिखो and side में लिखो, is this an element or is this a compound? When you're done, send a picture to Didi. You must do this so that I know that you watched the video and understood everything. Pause, do it, send picture. Ready? Great. So in classification, we have finished broad substances, which are elements and compounds. We will now learn about mixtures. Second objective of the day is that we will be able to differentiate between substances and mixtures. Now, how will we do that? We will again go back to iron oxide, जो मास में पाया जाता है और हमारे चारों तरफ भी पाया जाता है when iron becomes rusted. How? When an iron atom joins with an oxygen atom. Iron chemically join करता है oxygen के साथ. How do we now decide कि ये iron oxide substance है या mixture है? Is it a type of a pure substance? Let me think. Iron oxide, iron और oxygen जोड़ के बनता है केमिकली, मतलब एक नई चीज बन रही है. यस, और वो नई चीज एक कंपाउंड है ना. सो यस, इट इज अ न्यू टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस. द आंसर इज यस. एंड कैन आई सेपरेट इट? नो, आई कांट. जंग लग जाता है तो मैं वापस उसको आयरन एंड ऑक्सीजन नहीं बना सकता, है ना. सो द आंसर इज नो. Therefore, iron oxide is a pure substance. Which kind of pure substance? Is it an element or a compound? Correct, it is a compound. Now let's take a look at salt plus water. जब दीदी वाटर में सॉल्ट मिलाती है, जब नमक पानी से मिलता है, तो क्या कोई नई चीज बनती है या फिर वो सिर्फ घुल के मिल के बैठी है साथ में? You're correct. वो सिर्फ घुल के मिल के बैठी है साथ में, नई कोई चीज नहीं बन रही है. So the answer would be no. A new type of substance is not formed. ये ना तो एलिमेंट है ना तो कंपाउंड है. And can we separate it? The answer is yes. So salt water is an example of a mixture. मतलब दो चीजें जब केमिकली जुड़ जाती है तो इट्स अ कंपाउंड, पर दो चीजें जब फिजिकली जुड़ती है जिसको सेपरेट कर सकते हैं वापस, इट्स अ मिक्सचर. How do we separate it? How can we separate the salt and water now? अगर हम एक पतीले में सॉल्ट वाटर को हीट करेंगे, then the water will become gas, गर्म होके. This process is called evaporation and it is a method of separation. Mixtures को separate करने के लिए बहुत सारे methods होते हैं. Try it at home. Mix एक water में salt को mix करो, उसको गर्म करो. Water vapor बन के उड़ जाएगा and what will remain? Salt will remain. So you have separated a mixture. If you want to know about more such interesting methods of separation, then you can read pages 97 to 99 in your science book. Now, moving on to the types of mixtures. If you take salt solution, right? अगर आप पानी में salt मिलाते हो, then will I be able to see the salt particles? क्या मुझे नमक दिखेंगे पास से या दूर से कहीं से भी? नहीं ना, क्योंकि वो एकदम अच्छी तरीके से घुल मिल गए हैं, right? If we take a microscope, we will see one molecule of salt next to one molecule of water. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, ऐसे बराबर divide हुआ है. But if you mix oil in water, क्या oil mix होगा ठीक से? No, oil will float on water because it mixes unequally. One molecule of oil, then two molecules of water. Look at the pictures, you will see one green molecule, one red molecule बराबर divide हुआ है for a homogeneous mixture. Because in homogeneous mixture, the two materials mix equally. But in a heterogeneous mixture, जैसे कि तेल एंड पानी, उसमें बराबर नहीं मिक्स होता है. कहीं पे थोड़ा ज्यादा पानी, कहीं पे थोड़ा ज्यादा तेल. So it is called a heterogeneous mixture. Homo मतलब same same equal. Hetero मतलब different unequal. So a heterogeneous mixture is when two things mix unequally. Please note down these two names and what they mean. Let us now see how much we have understood. You have to identify in picture में से which one is a homogeneous mixture and which one is a heterogeneous mixture. Pause the video, note down the name and write क्या ये homogeneous mixture है, क्या ये heterogeneous mixture है. Take a picture, send to Didi. When you send it, then your acing work will be complete. Did we do this? Great. So let us now note down the difference between pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances में सिर्फ एक type के particles होते हैं, made up of only one type of particles, but mixture में more than one type of particles. Pure substances of two types, elements and compounds. Mixture after two types, they are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. They cannot be separated easily. Pure substances, gold को हम तोड़ के ऐसे separate molecule को तोड़ नहीं सकते, silver को हम तोड़ नहीं सकते easily, पर mixture हम separate कर सकते हैं, like salt water, sugar water. Examples of pure substances would be gold, water, chalk. Gold is an element, water is a compound, chalk is again a compound. Mixtures के examples क्या होंगे? Salt water, पानी में नमक, पानी में चीनी, आयरन एंड सैंड, सैंड में अगर कुछ आयरन के पार्टिकल्स मिला दो आप मैग्नेट्स के, एंड सॉइल ऑल्सो, राइट, बिकॉज सॉइल इज अ मिक्सचर, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स combined in it. So with that we come to the end of this lesson where we have classified matter into two types: pure substances that can be elements and compounds, and mixtures that can be homogeneous and heterogeneous. Before I leave you, I want you to know something very interesting. There are 118 types of elements in the world. Isn't that great? Only say 92 are natural and 26 are man-made. Now, can you name a man-made element? Use Mr. Google and find out the name of a man-made element and share with me. Right? Let us meet in another lesson next time. Till then, bye bye.